Welcome to BuildX, the global channel where we explore the cities, companies, and mega projects shaping the future of our world. Today, we are exploring one of the most powerful symbols of human progress. Structures so massive that they connect cities, cross oceans, and redefine what is physically possible. This is the story of the world's longest bridges and how human engineering learned to defeat distance itself. Imagine driving for more than 50 kilometers without ever touching land. No villages, no cities, no roads. Only water, sky, and steel beneath your wheels. These bridges are not normal roads. They are floating megastructures built to survive storms, earthquakes, and time. They are some of the largest moving structures ever created by humans, carrying millions of people every single day across impossible landscapes. Since ancient times, rivers and seas separated civilizations. Travel was slow, trade was dangerous, and entire regions remained isolated. Bridges became symbols of power and progress. Whoever controlled the bridges controlled movement, trade, and growth. In the modern world, bridges are no longer just about transportation. They are about economic survival, national strategy, and global competition. The longest bridge ever built by humans is the Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge in China. This bridge stretches for almost 165 kilometers, connecting Shanghai to Nanjing. It carries high-speed trains that travel faster than most airplanes during takeoff. The bridge crosses rivers, lakes, farmlands, industrial zones, and cities without stopping. More than 10,000 engineers worked on this project, and it used more steel than 3 Eiffel Towers combined. China did not build this bridge for beauty or tourism. It was built to move people, products, and power at the fastest speed possible. In Taiwan, the Changhua Kaohsiung Viaduct runs for over 157 kilometers and carries the country's high-speed railway. This bridge is built in one of the most dangerous earthquake zones on Earth. Engineers designed it so that even if a massive earthquake hits, the bridge can absorb the movement and remain standing. Each section of the bridge is flexible, allowing it to move independently. This structure proves that modern engineering is not just about size, it is about survival. Another Chinese giant is the Tianjin Grand Bridge, which stretches for more than 113 kilometers between Beijing and Shanghai. Instead of cutting through cities and farmland, the bridge floats above everything. This reduces environmental damage and saves valuable land. It represents the future of urban planning, where infrastructure rises above the world instead of destroying it. One of the most complex bridge systems ever built is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. This project is not just one bridge, but a combination of bridges, artificial islands, and an underwater tunnel. The total length is 55 kilometers, crossing the open sea between 3 major cities. It was built to survive typhoons, earthquakes, ship collisions, and saltwater corrosion for more than 100 years. This bridge system is so large that it functions like a floating city in the ocean. In the United States, the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway is the longest continuous bridge over water in the world. It stretches for more than 38 kilometers across a massive lake in Louisiana. During storms and hurricanes, this bridge becomes a lifeline for millions of people. It may not look futuristic, but for local communities, it is one of the most important pieces of infrastructure in daily life. Not all long bridges cross water. In Thailand, the Bang Na Expressway stretches for more than 54 kilometers above the city of Bangkok. This elevated highway was built because the city became too crowded to expand on the ground. Instead of destroying neighborhoods, engineers built the city's main highway in the sky. It shows how future cities will grow vertically, not horizontally. China dominates the list of the world's longest bridges. Out of the top 10 longest bridges on Earth, most are located in China. This is because China treats infrastructure as a national weapon. Bridges are not considered expenses. They are considered long-term investments in economic power, logistics dominance, and political influence. Every bridge is part of a bigger strategy. Building mega bridges is one of the hardest challenges in engineering. Engineers must fight wind forces, water pressure, earthquakes, corrosion, soil instability, and temperature changes. Every kilometer increases the risk. A small design error can cause structural failure worth billions of dollars. These bridges are constantly monitored by sensors, cameras, and AI systems that check stress, vibration, and movement in real time. The future of mega bridges is even more ambitious. Floating bridges are being designed for deep oceans. Smart bridges will monitor themselves using artificial intelligence. Self-healing concrete will repair cracks automatically. Some concepts even include bridges between countries, underwater tunnel bridges, and ocean-crossing structures that could connect entire continents. In the end, the world's longest bridges are not just engineering achievements. They are proof of how far humanity has come. From wooden crossings over rivers to steel highways across oceans, bridges represent one simple idea. Humans refuse to be separated. No matter how wide the water, no matter how deep the valley, and no matter how impossible the distance, we will always find a way to connect.